The green hell just witnessed the impossible. While the rest of the world was sleeping, Max Verstappen didn't just show up to the Nürburgring. He broke it. Today, May 15th, 2026, the motorsport world is in an absolute frenzy because the midnight run isn't a myth anymore. It's the night Max Verstappen proved he isn't just a Formula One champion. He's the undisputed king of the Nordschleife. Listen closely, because what happened under the cover of darkness in the Eiffel Mountains has officially redefined what we thought a GT3 car was capable of. We're talking about the 24 hours of Nürburgring weekend, and the qualifying sessions that just wrapped up have left factory teams like Porsche, BMW, and MAN Racing staring at their telemetry in pure disbelief. Max Verstappen, driving for his own banner, Verstappen Racing, in a Mercedes-AMG GT3 Evo, didn't just participate. He went out during the most treacherous conditions, damp track, dropping temperatures and fading light, and delivered a masterclass that felt like a glitch in the simulation. In the first night qualifying sessions, while other veteran endurance drivers were playing it safe, Max was treating the carousel like a karting track. He didn't just set a fast time, he carved through the mist to secure the third fastest time overall in Q1, and he did it with a level of aggression that made the 300,000 fans camping in the woods lose their minds. The atmosphere right now at the ring is electric. We are currently in the heat of the 2026 ADAC Ravenol 24H Nürburgring. The midnight run refers to those final soul-crushing laps where the track is at its coldest and the margin for error is zero. Verstappen's performance in these dark sessions has sent a shockwave through the paddock. He's sharing the car with absolute legends, Danny Juncadella, Jules Gounon, and Lucas Auer, but even they are admitting that what Max is doing in his debut appearance at this race is unnatural. Think about the stakes. The Nordschleife is 25 kilometers of pure adrenaline with 73 corners that want to kill you. Max has gone from the high downforce perfection of his Red Bull F1 car into a GT3 machine that moves, breathes, and fights back. And yet, the data shows he's finding time in sections where nobody else even dares to stay flat out. This isn't just about a lap time. This is about the Verstappen effect taking over the most prestigious endurance race on the planet. The tickets are sold out. The hills are glowing with the fires of 250,000 fans. And at the center of it all is a man who decided that 4 F1 world titles weren't enough. He wanted to conquer the green hell in the dark. The competition is terrified. The HS1 BMW and the elite Porsche squads were expected to dominate the night, but Max has turned the hierarchy upside down. Every time the HS3 Mercedes-AMG screams past the pits, the timing screens light up purple. We are witnessing a crossover event for the ages, but here is the real shocker. The weather for the main race starting tomorrow, May 16, is looking unpredictable. Rain, fog, and the classic Eiffel chaos are looming. And who thrives when the conditions are at their worst? Max. The midnight run was just the warning shot. Verstappen didn't come here to learn the track. He came here to own it. The record books are being rewritten as we speak. This isn't just a race anymore. It's a statement. Max Verstappen is proving that whether it's 300 kilometers per hour in a straight line or navigating the whole act in the pitch black, he is the fastest man on earth. Stay tuned, because the main event is about to begin. And the green hell has never seen anything like this. This is history in the making. This is Verstappen at the Nürburgring. And he's just getting started.